Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are staying fit and healthy at your place. So, today we are going to start with chapter number 16 of the same book, PC Brain's grammar book. And the name of the chapter is Conjunctions. So, this is the lecture number 1 of the same chapter. But before starting this, let us recall the previous lecture that was about prepositions. So, what do you mean by prepositions? What basically the prepositions are? Prepositions are the words which are used before the noun or pronoun to show the position of something, and they also show the relation with the other words in the sentences. So, I told you about many prepositions like in, on, under, between, into, in front of, beside, behind, next to, among, over, above. I told you about many prepositions. So you need to practice more and more to learn about the prepositions. Fine. So today we are going to start with the next lecture, that is lecture number 1 of the chapter Conjunctions. You might have heard about junction. Junction is basically something which joins two things. It's joined two things. So conjunction is made by that word only. So it joined two things, two or more than things. Fine. Words, sentences, phrases, clauses. It joins that. Fine. So what is conjunction? Conjunctions are also known as joining words. They are also known as joining words. They are the words which joins two sentences, two phrases, two clauses. Fine. So we are going to study conjunctions today. Yeah, conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. I already told you that it is also known as joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make a long sentence. To make a compound, a big sentence, we use conjunction. We use conjunctions. Like we take an example, you're standing along with your mother in the kitchen and you ask for a spoon, a plate, you ask for a bowl. Fine. What you are going to speak? Mama, give me a plate, bowl, and spoon. Fine. So we are going to end the sentence before a word using and. So conjunction joins words, sentences, clauses, phrases. Fine. So the next is, now you look over here at the sentence. The boy and the girl ate a red apple each. The boy and a girl ate a red apple each. So the is the article, boy is a noun, and is a conjunction over here, and the girl. If I speak, the boy ate a red apple, this is one sentence, and the another is the girl ate a red apple. These are two sentences. Fine. The boy ate a red apple, the girl ate a red apple. So you need to join these two sentences. Fine. How you will join? You are going to use the conjunction and. And means or. Fine. You have to use the conjunction and. The boy and the girl ate a red apple each. Okay, this is the and. This and is the conjunction over here. Fine. So conjunction is a word which joins two sentences, clauses, phrases. If we say about phrases like bread and butter, do we say bread butter? We call it as a bread and butter. Fine. Next is, look over here in the picture. There is a boy and a girl. The boy and the girl are wearing hats. There are two persons and we are framing a sentence by using and. The boy and the girl are wearing hats. We could have said it like the boy is wearing the hat, the girl is wearing the hat. Now how you are going to join these two? We are going to join these two by using the conjunction and. The boy and the girl are wearing hats. Now look here. There is one more conjunction but. But means but is basically used when one sentence is positive and another is negative. एक सेंटेंस हमारी स्टेटमेंट को एग्री कर रहा है और एक में हम मना कर रहे हैं, एक में हम काम करने को हाँ कर रहे हैं, एक में कुछ चीज़ मना हो रही है. See, the boy has a hat but the man does not have a hat. बॉय के पास तो हैट है लेकिन जो आदमी है दूसरा उसके पास नहीं है. So in the second sentence we are denying something. कुछ चीज़ मतलब नेगेटिव है, बट हम यूज़ करते हैं बेटा जहाँ पे एक चीज़ पॉजिटिव है और अनदर चीज़ नेगेटिव है. और एंड कंजंक्शन हम यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं है, दोनों पॉजिटिव है, दोनों पॉजिटिव है. Now look here in the sentence, the boy has a hat but the man does not have a hat. He has a cap. Means instead of having hat, the man has a cap. So we used a conjunction does not over here. So sorry, we used a conjunction but over here. So but conjunction is used when one thing is positive and another is negative. What is there behind the tree? I am not sure it is monkey or cat. Now there is one more conjunction, that is or. Or means when there is a choice. You need to select from two things. When you have a choice, fine, then we use or conjunction. Like, I am not sure it is monkey or cat. It is monkey or cat. मुझे श्योरिटी नहीं है क्या वो monkey है या cat है. Fine, there are two things and we need to choose one thing out of it. So the words and, but, or join two parts. They are joining words. They are called as joining words, and these joining words are also known as conjunctions. Fine. Now there are only 4 conjunctions. Basically there are these 3 conjunctions in your syllabus, but you need to learn this because conjunction also. It is very easy. So or means या ये या वो, and means or, but means, what do you mean by but? But means it is basically लेकिन. But means लेकिन. Because means क्योंकि. Because means क्योंकि. When you give some reason, जब reason देते हैं हम किसी चीज़ के लिए, I was ill yesterday, like we can call it as I did not attend the class because I was ill yesterday. Class attend क्यों नहीं की? क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी. Whenever we are absent, teacher asks us, why were you absent? What do we reply? Because I was ill. Fine. Why you have not done your homework? Because I went to the marriage. Fine. So the because conjunction is used when the reason comes behind, means reason comes in the second sentence. Reason comes in the second sentence. Because में क्या होता है? Reason बाद में आता है. Means reason हम बाद में बताते हैं. Fine. So these are the 4 conjunctions you need to learn: or, and, but, because. Now let us start the uses of these conjunctions. And is used when both the sentences are positive. I have already told you, when both the sentences are positive, we are going to use the conjunction and it connects or adds one thing to another. It is very simple. Now you can look over here. I want to eat bread and butter. So it is adding bread to the butter. It is written over here, na? It connects one thing to another. So it is adding this bread to butter. I want to eat bread and butter. Priya and Riya are going to school. I want pen. When there are so many things of one same kind, then at that time also we use and. Means before our last word we use and. Over here, I want pen, pencil, book and notebook. अब ये तीनों एक जैसे एक कैटेगरी की है, पेन, पेंसिल, नोटबुक. फाइन. तो आप यहाँ पे तो कॉमा यूज़ करते हो, बट जो लास्ट वर्ड होता है उससे पहले हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एंड. फाइन. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज देयर इज अ कब एंड द टिग्रिस इन द डेन. So this is the conjunction over here. And the bird and crow are flying in the cage. Fine. So over here are the and is the conjunction. So basically the conjunction and is used when both the sentences are positive. Both the sentences are positive. Next is conjunction but. But conjunction is used when one sentence is negative and another is positive. One is negative and another is positive. I already told you it is used to show a contrast between two items or ideas. It shows the contrast. For example, I want to watch television but electricity is not there. Basically, you will find not, does not, do not in the second sentence. At that time, we use the conjunction but. I want to watch television but electricity is not there. मुझे टीवी देखना है लेकिन बिजली नहीं है. So in the second sentence, we are using the conjunction not. Sorry, but. So, I want to drink water but water is not there in the bottle. मुझे पानी पीना है लेकिन बॉटल में पानी नहीं है. Fine. In first sentence, it is positive. In second sentence, it is negative. So you need to keep it in your mind when in the first sentence there is a positivity and in the second there is a negative. So we need to use the conjunction but over there, and it also shows the contrast between the two items. The man is tall but the woman is short. Vinay is rich but Vinayak is poor. विनय तो अमीर है लेकिन विनायक है जो वो गरीब है. आई एम वेरी हंग्री बट द फ्रिज इज एम्प्टी. मैं बहुत भूखी हूँ लेकिन फ्रिज है जो वह खाली है. सो वी यूज अगेन, आई एम टेलिंग यू द कंजंक्शन व्हेन वन सेंटेंस इज पॉजिटिव एंड अदर इज नेगेटिव. इट शोज द कंट्रास्ट बिटवीन द टू आइटम्स. नेक्स्ट कंजंक्शन इज और में या ये या वो. देयर इज अ चॉइस. Or conjunction is used when there is a choice between two things. Means you have two things and you have to select one. So there is a choice over there. It is used to present an alternative of an already present positive idea. Means one thing is already there positive and another also we are giving the alternative of it. We are giving the alternative of it. उसका alternative दे रहे हैं. लाइक अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ पसंद नहीं है तो हम उसका साथ में ऑल्टरनेट दे रहे हैं. आप ये भी ले सकते हो. आप शॉपिंग करने जाते हो, आपको बोलते हैं कि आप कहते हो ये ले लो. आप कहते हो कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है ये, तो उसके बाद वो जो सेल्समैन होता है वो आपको दूसरी चीज़ दिखाता है, उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव दिखाता है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, वुड यू लाइक टी और कॉफ़ी. मीन्स इफ़ यू डू नॉट लाइक टी यू कैन हैव कॉफ़ी ऑल्सो. So, do you like to have pizza or burger? You do not like pizza, you can have burger also. Fine, there is a choice between two things. You can have peach ice cream or a brownie sundae. Fine, it's your own choice. Is your dog male or female? I hope you have understood these three conjunctions. Let us move on to the next. This is the fourth one. This is because. Because means किस लिए. There is a reason, to show the reason. Now look here. She usually eats at the home because she likes cooking. Because is the conjunction. वो घर पे क्यों खाती है? क्योंकि उसे cooking पसंद है. I am staying in because it is snowing. मैं अंदर क्यों हूँ? क्योंकि बाहर बर्फ गिर रही है. It is snowing. Reason is it is snowing. I was absent yesterday because I was ill. The sentence I had already told you. I want to sleep because I am tired. मुझे सोना है क्यों? क्योंकि मैं थकी हुई हूँ. They are going to the market because they want to buy vegetables. वह बाजार क्यों जा रहे हैं? क्या रीज़न है? क्योंकि उनको सब्जियाँ खरीदनी हैं. Fine. So these are the four conjunctions: and, or, but, because. You need to learn with their uses. Now there is a picture. We can eat pizza. Both the friends are talking together. We can eat burger. So we can eat pizza or burger. There is a choice between two things. Fine. Next is, these are the uses of conjunction with examples. We use conjunction in between our ideas to link together. When we link two ideas together, we use these conjunctions. And I like jelly and ice cream. We went on the slide and on the wings. My daddy has brown eyes and he wears glasses. But is used when one is positive and other is negative. I like chocolate, but I do not like crisps. I have got two brothers, but I have not got any sister. It is very cold today, but James isn't wearing coat. Means it is cold, but James is not wearing coat. Negative. Or when there is a choice, I want 3 or 4 children in each group, please. It could be 3, it could be 4. Can you have pasta or pizza for tea? Means there is a choice between the pasta and the pizza. I haven't got a dog or a cat. There is a choice between the cat or a dog. Fine. Next is, this is the exercise 1 of your book. You need to do it right now only. You need to do it with the pencil. Do not use pen while doing book exercise. First is, this is a square clock. Dash is round. This is a square clock and it is round. यह square clock है और वह गोल है. We can stay in the hotel dash at the friend's place. We can stay in the hotel or at the friend's place. There are choices too. You can stay either in the hotel or in the friend's place. The oranges are cheap dash apples are costly. The oranges are cheap but apples are costly. जो ऑरेंज है वह तो सस्ते हैं लेकिन जो सेब है वो महंगे हैं. We have a pet cat and a dog. हमारे पास pet cat भी है और dog भी है. I can read English dash read French. I can read English and I can read English, or this read word is used 2 times over here. I can read English or French. It can be I can read English and French. I can read English and French. This read will not come here once again. It's by mistake. Do you want to buy, one second. Do you want to buy small car or a big car? There's a choice. Do you want to buy small car or a big car? Next is exercise number 2. Again, you have to fill in the blanks with the conjunction. I am Aditya and she is Molly. I am Aditya and she is Molly. So the conjunction and will come here. I am small but my father is big. मैं तो छोटा हूँ लेकिन मेरे पापा बड़े हैं. My grandfather is old dash my father is young. My grandfather is old but my father is young. मेरे जो दादाजी हैं वो है तो बूढ़े हैं लेकिन मेरे जो पापा हैं वो यंग हैं, जवान. My mother is wearing a red sari dash my grandmother is wearing a blue sari. My mother is wearing a red sari and my grandmother is wearing a blue sari. Next is, my parents cook food dash my grandparents serve it. My parents cook food and my grandparents serve it. मेरे जो मम्मी पापा है वो खाना बनाते हैं और जो मेरे दादा दादी हैं वो सर्व करते हैं. I eat a lot of food dash I also drink a lot of water. I eat a lot of food and I also drink a lot of water. मैं बहुत सारा खाना भी खाता हूँ और बहुत सारा पानी भी पीता हूँ. Fine. So this is all about 2 book exercises. You need to complete it. And what your homework is, you need to learn and write the uses of all the conjunction, all 4. And you have to do exercise number 3 and 4. You can do it roughly if you are not able to understand. Then when we will discuss in the next lecture, you can correct your answers. Fine. So now this is the homework solution. I gave you homework to draw a tree. To draw a tree on preposition. This is a tree which I have drawn on preposition. I have written different kinds of prepositions over here, like around, before, across, in, through, past, beside, after, of, under, beneath, by, below. You can draw your own trees. There is no harm. Next is I gave you the question to circle the preposition in following sentences. Fine. So the first is an aeroplane is flying dash the trees, over the trees. This is the preposition. It tells the position. The sweets are in the box. In the box. He is standing in front of the gate. She is standing between Ayush and Adil. Mehak is standing. Mehak is hiding her bag between her coat. The bird is dash the clouds, above the clouds. Sorry, you need to circle it, not underline. I did mistake. You need to circle it, not underline. Fine. So the next question was, this is the picture. You need to look at the picture and complete this these sentences. Fine, I have done for you. You kindly cross check your answers. The children are dash the zoo. They are in the zoo. The elephant is inside the cage. You can look over here where the elephant. It is inside the cage. Cage के अंदर है. You can write in the cage also. The tiger is dash the cage. The tiger is in the small cage. It is in the small cage. Fine. Some boys are standing in front of the tigers and giraffe cage. You can look over here. The boys are standing in front of the giraffes and tigers cage. Fine. A small boy and the girl are standing in front of the tiger's cage. The tiger's cage is dash the elephants and giraffe cage. The tiger's cage is between the elephant and giraffe's cage. So I hope you have understood the chapter prepositions and conjunctions. So kindly revise both the chapters thoroughly. That's all for today. Thank you.